What's guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little recap video on the MDA model show hosted in Virginia. Now this was my very first time going to this show, and I actually had a blast. Met down Friday, spent Friday night, and then Saturday was the show, and then came home on Sunday. It was about 7-hour drive. Well, actually a little less than 7 hours. It's about 6 hours and 40 some minutes. So, but call it even 7 hours with one gas break. But it was an awesome show. My first time going, and I'm definitely gonna go again next year. It was a really fun time. I really had a blast. So Friday night, I had dinner with Kevin over at Kevin's Model Customs. He was there and his new girlfriend, so that was pretty cool to meet her. And then Saturday after the show, I tell you what, I had dinner with pretty much almost every single vendor there. It was really awesome. But speaking of vendors, I want to give a couple of them a shout out. So first things first, we got a couple of cars. We got Wheel Hobbies. This is actually pretty cool. Guys, they actually do some 3D printing stuff at a little booth. There's a little video of their little booth or little thing they had there. It was pretty cool. They had some kits. They had some not photo edge, but 3D printed stuff. It was pretty cool. They're really neat people. I did actually buy a kit from these guys, which I will show you here in a little bit. But these guys were there, and they were pretty cool. Another folks were there was ACE decals. This is pretty neat. These guys basically have NASCAR decals, as it says right there. They had pretty much every single NASCAR decal that you can think of. I did not buy any decals from them because, well, I have enough decals. But that was cool to see them. They were really cool and really nice. And Mark is there, and yeah, really neat. And it's just really cool to see them for the first time. Willie's Hobbies or something like that. It was Willie's Corner, something like that. That does the modifieds from JR Models. Here's their logo on your screen. I forgot what they're called, but they were there. Actually had dinner with them on Saturday. And then another neat place I want to share with you is Automotive LLC. These folks were absolutely amazing. It was Danielle and I believe his name is John. Really amazing folks. I mean, these guys had a whole, literally the whole aisle of models. I thought they bought their entire hobby shop, and Danielle said, nope, this is not even a quarter of our hobby shop. I believe she said they have about 500 plus square feet of a hobby shop. It's insane. So these guys I had dinner with on Saturday, and it was awesome. It was about, I think it was like 10 to 12 of us had dinner at the, I forgot what the restaurant was, but it was really good. So that was really cool. So we had dinner with these guys. And we got these guys here. There is the website right there. If you want to scan that, that'll take you right to their website. But this is just one big hobby shop, just all the way down there. And I talked to the owners. This is not even half of their shop. This is a part of their shop. They are located in Pennsylvania, and just kits of galore. Just goes all the way down there. They also have a lot of the DeWarrian kits too. So you're looking for the regular DeWarrian kit from Hiroshima. We had dinner with Wes's Corner. There we go. That's the name. Wes's Corner. That was really cool to have dinner with those guys, and dinner with a couple more vendors, and it was just such a very fun time. So before we get into the kits, I want to show you, well, I got pictures on your screen, but I did actually bring home some hardware. These are really nice awards. I mean, they're really high quality. So I took home first place in customs, second place in trucks and vans, and third place in lowriders. So that's pretty cool. And you know, I go to shows. The reason why I go to these shows is to interact with people in person, not for awards, but if you do bring home an award, that is a huge accomplishment. But like I said, I don't do these shows just for the awards. I mean, I do them to meet people. I got to see Mark Betson again, so that was cool. I haven't seen him in quite a few years. I got to see Matthew over at Model Cars videos. Matthew was happy to see me, and it was really cool to see his wife, and he actually had his products there, which is really cool. And I had to meet a couple other YouTubers, which is really neat. So it was such a fun time, and I definitely will be going again next year. I think it's definitely worth the trip, and it was a nice ride down there for me. So let's go ahead and show you some kits that I got. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and show you the kit that I got from these guys, because these are the guys I actually got my first kit from. And we actually got my very first dragster. I never built a dragster before. I always seen these built up on tables and at model shows. I just never bought one, or never even bothered to buy one or build one. So they had one there, or they actually had a couple there. They had quite a few there. I actually liked the Valvoline version, so I wanted to get one and just try out. They had it for $30. I actually put out my money and gave him the $30 before I even picked up the kit. He goes, no, I don't want you to pay that much. So he gave me the $5 back. So he only paid $25 for it. So not bad. I'm actually really happy. But I know these kits are kind of fiddly. I know some people that build these, such as Time Member 69, a couple other guys build these dragsters. They do say they're fiddly, which they do. They do look really fiddly, but they are amazing builds at the end, and that's why I want to build one. So maybe we'll build one probably this year. If not next year, we'll build this one. I just never built a dragster. I would never bothered one, but they had quite a few there, so that's pretty cool. I got that kit from those guys. Another vendor there. Now this guy, here's a little video of his aisle. This guy had quite a few models. He basically had a whole aisle of models. It was insane. But here's the stuff he had there. So the first kit that I picked up, I thought it was pretty neat, is we got the 01 Corvette Z06. This is a pretty neat kit. I've been wanting this one for a good minute, because a lot of these Corvette kits, they're pretty basic, especially for AMT and those companies, and Revell too, they're kind of curves like kits. But this one's a full-on detailed kit with the engines, 116 parts, $20, not bad, but really cool. It does have a full engine. So finally we got a C6 Corvette with an actual full-on detailed engine and chassis. So really cool to get this one. So here's that one. The second kit that I picked up from him, I actually got a bag kit. We get a bag 2000 Ford Taurus, Martin Ford Taurus, which is actually kind of ironic. I'm building his car right now, but it's a bag kit, so we got it for $8. Box destroyed. So pretty cool. So my first time buying a bag kit, and yeah, you can actually find some good deals. So we got a bag kit. Then when I was literally about to check out from him, I saw this. I thought this was a really cool kit. Porsche GT1 EVO. I believe that's Evo for short. But this is a really neat kit. I was about to buy the NASCAR kit and the Corvette kit, and as I was standing there, I saw this pop up in my eye. I was like, oh my gosh. It's fully sealed inside. It was $32, but I've never seen this kit before, and I think it's totally worth it. So this is gonna be a really good build, and I think this is pretty cool. So yeah, really cool. So we got that, and this vendor we actually got, we had dinner with him as well, which is so cool. Another vendor, actually I picked up 2 NASCAR kits. Now, if you're looking for a good deal, find a vendor that is kind of pooped out, because I bought these kits probably literally towards the end of the show. There's about an hour and a half left of the show, and this guy was pretty pooped out. When I say that, even he looked pretty tired. It's kind of funny. So I was initially going to get this kit from him. It was a 2004 Monte Carlo kit for the NASCAR kit. These kits are pretty hard to find. If you do find them, they're kind of expensive. But originally he had it for $15, which is not a bad price, which is really good price for a modern NASCAR kit. So I was initially going to get this one, and he was like, You want anything else? Like, really drowsy, he said that to me. I was like, well, yeah, I guess I'll take this one too. I mean, why not? Again, 15 bucks. And then he's just like, just give me $20. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna complain you. You seem pretty tired. So, yeah, hey, gotta steal the deal. I mean, 10 bucks for those kits. So, I'm not complaining. So, that was kind of funny. Now, we're gonna go ahead and go to the kits that we got from Models. Actually did pick up 2 kits from them. This first kit, don't pick on me, but I've been wanting this one for quite some time, which was the Ford Taurus tuners. SVT, whatever the heck that means. This kit, I always find this kit so funny but cool looking, because when they had it displayed like this. But I think this is a cool kit. I don't know. I think you can do something cool with this. I mean, I don't really care for the wheels, but of course we can 3D put some new wheels. That's not a big deal. Now, the cool thing about Automotive, now this is an open kit, but the cool thing what they do with their open kits, they do a report card on the bottom, as you see right here. Now they call it a report card, but what is marked is all there. So parts bag sealed. So it means this kit is not sealed. There's no bags inside. But everything else is there. Body, clear parts, red parts, chrome, tires, interior pieces, whatever decals. It's all there. It's just not in plastic bags, which is not a big deal. But that is really cool what they do. They call it a report card. So really neat. I've been wanting this kit for a while. I mean, I've been trying to get this kit. Every time I find one, it's always missing something. It's always missing the hood, or missing like partially interior. It's missing something. But really cool, they actually had one that is completed. So that was wicked cool to find. And the second one I got, we actually got a race car, and we actually got the BMW M8 GTE. So really cool. This is a brand new kit, but I've been wanting to build this kit for a while. They only had it for about 30 bucks, yeah, or 40 bucks, yeah, not bad. This is about like a $60 kit all day. So really cool, got this one. So that was a good deal. So that's it for the buying stuff. I did actually win a kit because they have raffles. And I bought 20 tickets. You buy $20 worth of tickets. So $20, which gives you 25 tickets. So I just buy the raffles just to help them out, support them. Even though if I win something or not, I always like to do that to support the show. But unfortunately, I did actually win a kit, and we actually got a JR Motors Richard Petty Buick, which is really cool. I don't have this kit, so really neat. So sealed. This is about a $40 kit all day long. So hey, I got my money's back. So really cool. But yeah, that's my winning kit. Now it's kit or bag, whatever the heck it was, number 25. So really cool. So I'm really happy I won the kit. And like I said, I don't do the raffles just to win anything. I just do it to help them out. Even though if I do win something, which is really cool, if I don't, then not a big deal. The money's going towards for a good cause. But really cool. I did win the kit, and yeah, pretty happy. But overall, a super fun weekend. Absolutely had a blast. Like I said, it was only about not even 7 hours, but I wouldn't call it 7 hours total. Really good ride. It was sunny, so I definitely will be going next year. I think next year I will probably go down Thursday, spend all day Friday and Saturday. Friday, Wood Brothers Racing Museum is like another hour and a half more south. I do want to see that museum, so maybe next year we'll go down an extra day and spend a whole day Friday and look at the Wood Brothers Museum and stuff. So I think it'll be pretty cool. But this show, it is definitely worth checking out if you have not checked it out. It is more on the smaller medium side. There's about 400 plus models, because I took pictures of pretty much every single model that was on the tables, and when I transferred all my photos from my camera to my computer, I got over 411 photos. So here's about 400, I want to say like 420 plus models on display, which is really, really good for that show and that size. But overall, really good show. Had fun, and I got to see a bunch of old fellas and old friends. Mark Betson, Matthew, Watercars Videos, a couple new friends, and I got to meet a bunch of vendors such as Automotive, Danielle over there and John, just amazing folks. So check them out. I'll be link down below to their website. Check them out, and of course these guys as well. So really cool to see these guys, and just really good vendors. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed, and until next video, I'll catch you guys next time.